Leadership begins at home. Leadership begins at home. Every man leads someone. You may lead your wife, your children, your grandchildren, your coworkers. But the main person that you need to lead is yourself. Or maybe you're leading a young man, watching you and watching how you live, which again could be your child, could be someone that you're not even paying attention to. But leadership starts and belongs before someone gives you a title. Leadership is something that needs to be with you every day, and you need to think about it because you're always leaving an example. There's always somebody watching. So, point one, your actions speak loudest. People remember what you do far more than what you say. You want to live your life with value, with purpose, with principle, with ethics, with morals. Again, there may be times that you got to do what you got to do, but you want to try to live your life as an example, not only to yourself, but to those around you. Because again, somebody's always watching. Point two, you need to be present. Put the phone down, keep eye contact, listen. Your presence is one of the greatest gifts that you can give to your family. Point three, own your mistakes. A strong man apologizes. A weak man makes excuses and blames others. Humility builds trust. Point four, leave people better than you found them. Encourage, teach, mentor, serve. A leader is measured by the lives that he improves or she improves. So, in closing, if you see people that aren't leaders, people that don't take responsibility, people that don't they just don't stand their grounds. They don't have a foundation. That's somebody that you shouldn't follow, and that's somebody that you don't want to be. Why? Because that person is not a leader. That person is probably a taker. That person is probably toxic. So, in closing, titles come and go. Character stays forever. This is Mr. Z Inspires. You guys have a great day. And again, follow us at www.mrzinspires.com. And if you believe that this is something that someone else should hear, please share it with them. And check out the rebuild process. Take care, be well. And as always, remember, you are your own advertisement. You are your own representative each and every day. You are a brand. What type of brand are you? What type of memories are you leaving? What type of impression are you making? With that, have a great day. Be well.